Hey, welcome my Scrappin' friends. I'm Vanessa, and today I'm going to do an album share with you guys. So yay! This is a graduation album. I had a customer request that she wanted a graduation album, and I know I'd shown it a few months back, and I come up with this one. I wanted to use the Crafty Girl from Simple Stories to decorate this one. I will tell you, I did have several requests that they wanted to see a tutorial. And somehow I deleted videos, so that's why I never went ahead and offered it as a tutorial, because the original videos where I made it, the last 2 or 3 got deleted. So I will be kind of redoing it, and I will be offering the tutorial for this because I had several requests that you wanted to learn how to make this because it was, a perfect album for you. This album is geared more towards people who are not scrapbookers, that doesn't understand all the flips and flaps of an album. So keep your eyes out for that. It may be, a month down the road, but I will get a tutorial, redo it, and have that available for you guys. Okay, so like I said, I did decorate it with the Hey Crafty Girl from Simple Stories. Beautiful paper. This album measures 11 1/4 by 8 3/4. And in the tutorial that I'm going to make it just a little bit shorter, so you don't have to piece paper together, because once you get your album greater than 11 1/4, you've got to piece your paper together here, and I don't like that aspect, so I will change it up just a hair, but it will still be a very, very nice album. Okay, let's dive into this. So here's the front, and I just kind of collaged it up, and there's the spine of it. And there's the back of it. This album has 1, 2, 3 pages. But it can hold a heck of a lot of photos, let me tell you. I love that. So you open it up, and you have this. And this here is all in the, on the cover of the album. So that opens up, and then you have this. And then you have that. Okay, oops. So then you have pockets here, and I just made some photo mats to stick it in here, just to show you. So these flip. This paper was very fun to work with, very fun. So then this opens up, and it's going to be hard to probably keep this all on camera. So there's that. And then that flips. And in the original one, I closed up the pockets because normal people who doesn't scrapbook don't understand the flaps and the pockets and everything. So like once they open this up, they see paper underneath, so they know, to flip that. But in the other one, I did close the pockets up. In this one, I just made a photo tag to go in it. So then that flips. And then these flip. See, that way they see paper underneath, so they know these, flip. So I'll do each side. Beautiful. And then that flips. And again, I've done the different cardstock to accent the album a little bit more, because that's what the graduation was. It was, mainly cardstock. It wasn't a whole lot of paper to make it beautiful. I relied on the cardstock. But, beautiful. And again, just another pull out. So then we have this. That flips out. And then that. And then this flips open. And then that flips open. So what, I mean, a beautiful spread. It's gorgeous. And see, they see that there's, you know, something underneath there, so they know to flip that. So this page just mirrors just like the other one, okay? Life is short. Buy the paper. Eat, sleep, craft, repeat. Love it. Oh, this paper was so much fun to work with. So much fun. Again, just another one in the pocket there. Okay, this is the back of the album. So you have 2 pockets here. Okay, and they see paper underneath, so they know to flip that. Because sometimes we can get pretty crazy with all our flips and flaps, and you know, they don't understand. If you're not a crafter, you don't get it. And then that flips. And then you just have a pocket back here. And that's it for this album. Like I said, I will be working on a tutorial for this. I'll have to redo it again, because, you know, I lost videos. It does happen to the best of us. But keep an eye on that, and when I get it done, I will let you guys know. It may be, you know, a month before I can get it done. I want to get it done, so, you know, if you want to make it for a Christmas gifts, you can. So keep an eye out for it. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and keep scrapping. Bye-bye.